Thank you for joining us here on click2houston.com. We have scattered showers and storms across the area, so keep that umbrella with you all afternoon long. They'll start to wind down between 6 and 7, so the majority of our evening is going to be dry. But a few of those high school football games, you could see a few spotty showers lasting until the beginning of the game. So we have a 40% chance of rainfall today. In between our storms, we'll have plenty of heat. We'll be in the upper 80s to the low 90s. We have an area of high pressure to our northeast, and that's pulling in a ton of Gulf moisture, so the humidity is going up. And at the same time, we have an area of low pressure pulling into Colorado right over the Rockies, and that is going to be our first fall front, which will be arriving late on Sunday into the beginning of next week. So here's how it's going to play out. Sea breeze storms in the forecast for today and also tomorrow. So what we're seeing today is exactly what we will see during the day on Saturday. Isolated showers in the morning, followed by a round of midday and afternoon storms that will finish up close to sunset. Then the front moves into North Texas on Sunday. So Sunday, we're going to increase our rain chances because we kind of have that squeeze play as the front gets closer and closer. We're expecting it to actually pass through during the day on Monday, and then we are going to tap into some cooler and drier air behind the front. But the question is, when is that actually going to happen? There's a chance, and most likely we'll see a little bit of time change with this front and when it's actually going to be pulling through. So this is what it looks like at this point. We're expecting those afternoon storms today. They kind of wrap up for this evening. Then tomorrow, coastal showers in the morning. Some of them could reach into the metro area, and then we'll have a round of afternoon storms. Again, it's not a washout tomorrow, so if you want to plan any sort of outdoor plans, I would put it on tomorrow. Just keep in mind in the afternoon we'll have a few boomers popping up. Then on Sunday, we're going to increase those rain chances. Coastal showers in the morning. They are a little more heavy compared to what we'll see on Saturday, and then by Sunday afternoon and evening, we're looking at a good chance of rain across southeast Texas. Also notice that we have a lot of heavy rain throughout the hill country, pushing up towards Dallas. So if you're doing some traveling and trying to come back home from hill country on Sunday, you could be dealing with some very wet roadways. Now we're expecting that front, which is still hanging up in North Texas, to pass through on Monday, and that's going to create the potential of some heavier rainfall. Not concerned with widespread flooding, but we'll watch for that chance of isolated issues during the day on Monday. We're expecting about 2 to 3, possibly up to 4 inches of rain with over, Sunday and Monday put together. So not all in one shot, which is why we're not too concerned with widespread flooding. So 40% chance of rainfall today. We'll keep that in the forecast for tomorrow. We have Dynamo and Dash. Dash's game on Sunday is actually the last match of their entire season. And then on Tuesday, we're going to be a little muddled, kind of getting over those showers with the front moving through. But then by Wednesday and Thursday, we're expecting to tap into that drier air. So we'll be waking up with temperatures in the 60s by Wednesday and Thursday morning.